In front of me is a THL T7, and today I will show you how to do a hard reset of the device through basically a factory mode. So to get started, we'll need to hold the power key to power off the device. Select power off and confirm it. Wait for the device to shut off, and then we will hold power key and volume down together. So power, volume down, hold those two together. And from here we will scroll down to this option, which EMMC, and confirm it with power key. And now the device will begin removing all personal data. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can continue using your device as after a fresh reset. So just continue, tap on OK, and it's all finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.